The fourth Shillong Literary Festival was inaugurated on the 18th of November 2024 at Wards Lake, Shillong by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Prominent authors such as Shobhaa and Vikram Seth, along with other notable writers, attended the event. The Chief Minister emphasized that the festival aims to provide a platform for local writers, nurturing their talent and passion for writing. He noted that it offers opportunities for local writers to interact with national and international authors, promoting idea exchange. Conrad Sangma highlighted the festival's role in encouraging reading and writing, particularly among students, by involving schools to spark curiosity in these arts. He also stressed the importance of documentation and research to preserve Meghalaya's culture and history, supported by initiatives like the Chief Minister's Scholars Program for 50 research scholars. The Chief Minister further stated that such festivals boost tourism and announced a Rs 4,000 crore investment in tourism infrastructure, including hotels and homestays.
That is made by us, and the pottery that is being serving is also made by us. So a complete story around this cup of tea. So let them have a special tea which is served in this. You tell married. Yeah, absolutely. It'll be very nice. It'll be a nice story. When we started this literary festival 4 years back, we did not expect that we would be able to shape it into the kind of program and the festival that we are seeing today. Really, I must once again congratulate the team which is behind making this festival what it is. And a lot of hard work has gone into making this at this grand level. But I can definitely assure you that this is just the beginning. And we intend to make this into a much bigger festival, as well as ensuring that this becomes an event not just at the national level, but also at the international level. We have been talking about the literary festival, and it has got many aspects to it. It starts, of course, with the fact that it allows our writers to come together, to provide them a platform. And for many years, though Shillong had the talent and the people here had the talent and the interest and, more importantly, the passion to write, but somehow the platform was not provided to them. We are hopeful that this literary festival would provide that platform where writers from throughout the world, throughout the country, and our own writers from our own state would be able to come together and really share their thoughts and ideas and and their passion. We have a very, very large population of youth out here, even more than the percentage that is there at the national level. Meghalaya as population is even younger than the rest of the country, and hence we would like to see that this kind of a passion is developed among the children that our young generation that are there. Another area of very great importance for us, why we have been stressing on this literary festival, is that we don't have a habit, I should say, of documenting things. And whether it is just basic writing of novels, or even documenting the history of Wards Lake, or the different cultural aspects, there is a lack of support and interest in documenting all these cultural and historical aspects of our state and of our people. And we are hopeful that this would be a kind of a push to our youngsters to start writing, to document things, and to ensure that you're able to jot down things and come out with books and research. And that's something that we really want to encourage.